What's up, guys? My name is Paul McMillan, and we're making some videos on the rebuild of my 1995 Nissan 240SX. I bought this car when I was a senior in high school. It was in a totally different form. It was a basket case 4-cylinder turbocharged KA, which never quite worked out. But I got the bright idea when I was 19, so that would have been 2012, to put a LS1 in it. At that time, it wasn't very common. Now you go to the tracks and they're everywhere, but when we did that, there was not a lot of information. Luckily, there were some mounts. I had a friend help me with wiring, and we fabbed up cross member and put a GTO pan in it. And just kind of learned a lot. Got to do some body work on the engine bay. But since then, I've done a lot of different versions of it, which I'll show some videos of and pictures from kind of the steps we have gone through. It went stock body, just get the V8 running. It had all sorts of wiring issues, like charging issues, stuff like that, brake problems. Then we fixed all that. We went 5-lug, and kind of at that same time, I got a Origin, I think it was an Origin or an Origin knockoff kit for it. And then that left us to last year. I built a rear kind of bash bar jacking point, repainted the bumpers again that had gotten cracked up, and made some mounting points for my headlights. And that I actually will be jumping back to and showing you that build process. Right now I am updating, I am painting the front, getting everything matched. I made some mounts for a bash bar and my headlights. So I'm going to seal that up here pretty soon and get it all the same color again. All right, so now I'm going to prep the rest of the bumpers and get them cleaned, and I'll start spraying. I am sanding up the bash bar right now to seal up and then spray along with the bumpers as well. I've got the back there all tarped off so everything in the background won't get overspray. So here we go. Set up here, got it hung the ceiling so I can see all the angles. The biggest problem I've ran into before with painting is not having enough light. Hopefully this is enough. I should be able to see. It's no actual paint booth, but it might work. The mixed color temperatures will probably be a little bit of an issue, but at least there is some available light this way. So I'm going to wipe things down one more time and then spray some sealer and start working some color.